What is up, everybody? I am at Multnomah Falls in the fall. This is the best time to be here. It is absolutely stunning. It is so beautiful, so gorgeous. We're gonna get a closer look at the actual waterfall, maybe hike up to the bridge and just see what we can see from there. It's gonna be beautiful with all the fall colors and the leaves falling. And how many times have I said fall?
Look! A waterfall!
Camera! I should have brought the GoPro. Next time we come here, I'm bringing the GoPro and we're gonna hike to the very top, which is Larch Mountain, which we were just at. You'll see that soon in a video. I think we're gonna head back to the car and maybe hit another waterfall and then call it a day. Because it's getting late and wet. As you can see, my poor camera. I hope it'll be okay.
A few moments later.
Our next waterfall stop is Wakena Falls. Looks like it's about a 0.2 mile hike up to the bridge. I've never been to the bridge at this waterfall before, so let's do this. Some of the charred remains from that fire we had here 2 years ago around this time. Oh, I'm out of breath. Oh my gosh. Adventure. We can do this. now we're at Lateral Falls. We're gonna hike down and get a closer look because this one is harder to see from the road.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Season.
That's going to be the last waterfall for this hike. This was kind of a spur of the moment, not planned hike. We had no idea we were going to do this today. We just decided, what the heck. So here we are. Our last stop is going to be the Vista House for the amazing view of the Columbia River Gorge. And then we're heading home. But yeah, this is the last waterfall because we are losing daylight. It's getting dark early. Oh. It would be lovely if we could catch the sunset because it's almost that time. But I don't know if that's going to happen because it is very overcast, cloudy, rainy. Typical Pacific Northwest day. So, bummer. We will definitely be catching some sunrise, sunsets, and all of that kind of stuff really soon on our road trip. I can't wait. Are you guys as excited as I am? Oh my gosh. If you're new to my channel, click the notification bell so you know when I upload those videos. The Vista House, but it just started raining really hard, so we're gonna give it a moment, which is kind of a poop because I can see the sunset. Come on, rain, give me a moment of nothing, please. Please? Just a moment. I really need to start carrying an umbrella.
Just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
Alrighty guys, so now we are on the Sandy River. We are in the Troutdale area on our way home. Decided to stop so I could do my outro. It finally stopped raining for a moment so we can get through this hopefully. This is like take 6. I keep having all the bloopers, so stay tuned for a blooper reel of all the bloopers at the end of the year. That'll be like my end of the year Happy New Year video. Oh my god, it's so hilarious. Anyway, I totally got off topic here. Ooh, gosh, words. Anyway, I had a lot of fun today. I hope you enjoyed the video of our fall hike, seeing some of the waterfalls in the Columbia River Gorge. It's always such a good time coming out here. I enjoy it so much, no matter what time of year it is. I do think the fall is the best time to come out here because it's just gorgeous. All the changes and the colors and all the orange and yellows and oh, it's just vibrant, and you saw. Anyway, I'll quit talking about it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye. Oh, look. There's a bird. It's shiny. Bye.